Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to create this Talking Tom model. This is a Talking Tom model, which is an Android app, Android and iOS app, Talking Tom. So I am going to create this guy today. So in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the reference I was using. This was the reference I was using, and this is our model. So this was the reference, and this is our model. If you have more time, you can texture more accurately like this. If you have more time, you can texture more accurately like this. That's it, friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.